So today we'll be talking about a resort जो कि only 40 kilometers away है बैंगलोर से. We'll be talking about all the details, how to reach there, routes वगैरह कैसे हैं, how the resort is, what are the activities it is giving, what is the price, cost of it, and स्विमिंग पूल वगैरह और वाटर गेम्स वगैरह क्या क्या हैं, और खाना वगैरह पैकेज में क्या क्या, व्हाट आर द things included in the package, everything with the cost, how you can contact them, best time to visit, all the things we would be sharing in this video. So stay tuned with us. Hello, good morning. So today we are going to Wild Valley Resort. It is near to Bangalore only, 60 kilometers around in Kanakpura. तो अभी हम निकल रहे हैं. We'll be talking more about it in the upcoming video. So this property that we are visiting, it is just 40 kilometers from road. It is in Kanakpura. So this is called as Wild Valley. So they have multiple resorts at different places. उसमें से they have one resort in Ramnagara, which is called as WV Wild Valley Mountain View. Nandi Hills में भी है Wild Valley Nandi Hills, it is in Dodawalapur. Wild Valley Acklat Meadows in Sakleshpur, quite famous. Wild Valley Pratham Resort in Kundapur as well, and one is in Kanakpura. We are going to the one which is in Kanakpura. So we'll be started now. We'll go through. There's another route, via Electronic City as well, wherein there is a back route, and there is also a route through Nice Road you can go to and connect to Kanakpura through the junction area. The reason we took the Electronic City route, जो जिगनी साइड से होके then लानाग्राटा रोड होके जाता है, that is a very scenic route. So we thought of taking it. It is with less traffic as well. So coming back to the resort, ये चूज करने का यही हमारा रीजन था कि नज़दीक में है and it goes through a very scenic route, and they have different packages as well. एक है camping with 2-time meals, wherein you can come in at around 4 PM or 3 PM and night stay करके आप 11 in the morning you can go. And package includes all the activities, night stay, they will provide tents, welcome drink in terms of food, welcome drink, high tea dinner, and in the morning breakfast, and they charge around Saturday को 2000 and Sunday को 1600, and Monday to Friday आपका less price रहता है 1500 around. They have a camping with 3 times meals as well, जिसमें आप 1 PM में चेक कर सकते हैं, लंच वगैरह कर सकते हैं, वेलकम ड्रिंक, लंच, हाई टी, देन डिनर इन द मॉर्निंग, अगेन यू विल हैव ब्रेकफास्ट एंड लीव. एंड इसका थोड़ा प्राइस ज़्यादा है because it's a 3 times food, 2360 on Saturdays. Saturdays are little high, and Monday to Friday 1700, and Sunday will be 1900 per person. And और एक फैमिली टेंट्स भी है जो कि थोड़ा you can stay bigger size उसमें रहता है, उसमें नाइट स्टे भी रहेगा. again you will have your drink, lunch, high tea, dinner, and next day morning breakfast. So there are multiple packages. Day outing is around 1180, which is Saturday को थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहता है. Monday to Friday it is 880, and Sunday को 940. So and wild day out also रहता है, जिसमें आपका खाने में ड्रिंक, लंच, हाई टी, एंड नाइट इवेंट्स, डिनर और एक्टिविटीज़. That is again Saturday को थोड़ा हाई प्राइस 1700 around, Monday to Friday 1300 around, और Sunday को 1400 around. Crazy Wild Day Out और एक पैकेज है. So there are a lot of packages, different packages. Cottage stays भी हैं जिसमें शेयरिंग रहता है, 5 to 6 people can share, and will charge 3000 per person on Saturdays, and less prices on the remaining days. Cabins भी हैं, they have different cabins you can sharing as well as you can book for entire couple cottages as well. उसमें भी I think 3000 on Saturdays it will be higher. Crossing this beautiful road will be reaching in some time now. I've reached here. This is the parking area for them. Quite spacious, and this is the entry. This is the route to come towards this resort. and this is the entry to Wild Valley Adventure Retreat, as they call it. So now we've reached, we have checked in. Now we'll go and have breakfast here. जब पहुंचते हैं स्टार्टिंग में ही पड़ता है ब्रेकफास्ट एरिया में, उनका जो डाइनिंग एरिया है। ब्रेकफास्ट टाइमिंग जो रहता है नॉर्मली 9 AM to 10:30 AM. In weekends it could extend to 11 depending on. And in breakfast you see, and we could see a good amount of varieties of items. और weekend है तो रश थोड़ा था, but they had good enough quantity of it. After having breakfast we went as a open area, वहाँ पे हमने अपना टेंट लगाया. They provide the tent, you have your own tent, you can put it as well. तो हमने put किया. So talking about the activities and all the facilities that they provide. So बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज भी हैं, जिप लाइन, रैपलिंग, रशियन लैडर, रोप कोर्सेस बहुत सारे, 5-6 टाइप्स ऑफ. ट्रेकिंग भी है, दे डू ट्रेकिंग एज वेल. ज़ूमरिंग, स्विमिंग पूल एक्टिविटीज, वाटर एक्टिविटीज में स्विमिंग पूल एंड रेन डांस. दूसरे भी बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे एक्टिविटीज हैं, रॉकेट इजेक्टर, टारगेट शूटिंग, आर्चरी, टीम बिल्डिंग एक्टिविटीज बहुत सारे दे में डू इट. डीजेस वगैरह भी आते हैं, एंड देयर टाइम टू टाइम वहाँ पे फंक्शंस वगैरह होते हैं, स्टैंड अप कॉमेडीज वगैरह, एंड थिंग्स डू हैपन टाइम टू टाइम. और सबसे जो अच्छा मेरे को लगा अबाउट द एरिया, इट इज़ वेरी सीरीन, वेरी सराउंडिंग्स इज वेरी नाइस. तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा यहाँ पे. रात में भी लाइट कैंडल लाइट डिनर अरेंज करते हैं. हालांकि ये मंडे टू थर्सडे फ्री रहता है पैकेजेस के अंदर. सैटरडे संडे इट कुड बी एक्स्ट्रा फॉर यू. सो ऑल इन ऑल इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस प्लेस. बहुत अच्छा है, सराउंडिंग्स में बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी वगैरह है. इसके बाद ये अराउंड आफ्टर 3-4 किलोमीटर्स द फॉरेस्ट एरिया स्टार्ट. सो बहुत ही अच्छा है, पीसफुल एरिया है. मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगा, दे हैव कोजी कैबिन्स, कॉटेजेस एज वेल. अगर आपको रहना है, यू वांट टू स्पेंड सम टाइम आल्सो, दैट आल्सो इज अवेलेबल. और एक्टिविटीज़ भी काफ़ी सारी हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू कम विद अ ग्रुप एंड डू इट. तो हमने भी अच्छा खासा यहाँ पे एक्टिविटीज़ वगैरह जो है उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया. उसके बाद देन वी वेंट टू हैव लंच. और लंच में इट्स अ बुफे अगेन. दे हैव सूप, वेज एंड नॉन वेज सूप. स्टार्टर में देते हैं, आई मीन कपल ऑफ वेज एंड नॉन वेज स्टार्टर्स. देन दे हैव रोटी, राइस, बिरयानी एज वेल. सब्जी में दे विल हैव 1 वेज करी एंड देन 1 or 2 वेज करी और couple of non-veg as well, mostly chicken. And along with that they'll have sweets, and it changes every day. After lunch we got involved in few more activities as well. I must say, if you're coming with friends or families, it's good engaging time for your kids as well. अच्छा, और ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं है, it's nearby place, so you can come down. And staffs are really good, and they give utmost priority to safety measures, which is a very good thing, very pleasing thing to see. Especially अगर आप फैमिली के साथ गए हैं, you have kids along with you, so it is very necessary. इनका जिप लाइन जो है मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा, because you have to walk to top of the mountain, वहाँ से आना है. So it's kind of adventure that you go through. So after the activities we had nice high teas and veg pakoda, coffee, tea, and then we went towards our home, started from the resort. So now as we are heading back to our home, so let me summarize about the trip. The starting with the the plus point is, when you are going towards this resort, you go through a jungle, basically Bannerghatta, which is connecting to the forest area. You cross through that, which is a very nice road to drive on. The roads are very good. And once you reach there, the activities are decent enough. I will not say very good or very bad, decent enough, and the food is good. Staffs are very good. So all in all, for the price that you are paying for a outing, is not bad. So and the most importantly, it is nearby. It is just 30 kilometers, 40 kilometers from Bangalore. So we had a very good time. I would say, if you're planning, if you want to go for a day outing, you can definitely check out this one. I'll give the details whatever I have on this out, and you can use, and I'll provide the Google map as well. So thanks for watching this video. Stay connected.